Boy, looking fine. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dat Kid Jams, and I'm back again with another video. Yeah, I am. Alright, so check it out. So today we're basically gonna be going, me and Viv, to go check out this Integra. I'm gonna check it out, show y'all it. I decided why not just show y'all, because you know y'all my family. So hey, I kind of like the pictures, how it looks. We'll see how it looks, no cap. If it looks good, if everything checks out, I might buy that bit. We'll see what happens. We'll see what doesn't happen. But check this out. I got a challenge for y'all. If y'all like the car, that's if y'all like the car, because like I said, y'all my family. So if y'all like the car, and if I can get to 100 subscribers, 50 likes, I'll drop a bag on it. No cap, cash. So first of all, we put oil in the car. First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up. Anyways,
look at this color, bro. This don't happen when you buy cheap shit, bro. Is that oil, bro?
that bitch look like water. No cap. So, as I was saying before, y'all go ahead, y'all get me to 100 subscribers, and if y'all like the car, I'll buy it. Cash is not a problem for me. So, not saying I'm rich or nothing, but if y'all go ahead, y'all like the car, if everything checks out with the car, I'll buy it. Get me to 100 subscribers and I'll buy that shit, if y'all like it and if I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and update y'all when we get there. You feel me? So, but right now we at the marathon, getting some gas, and I hit y'all when I get there. No cap. Out that way. GPS says 32 minutes. So we got a 32-minute drive all the way to the car. Like I said, get this video to 100 likes. Oh no, get this video to 100 subscribers. Get my channel to 100 subscribers. And if y'all like the video, I will go ahead and buy the car, all cash. Just hitting the subscribe button. Like, it's not hard. It's not hard. I'm not asking you to jump off a bridge. I'm not asking you to kill somebody. I'm not asking you to kidnap somebody. I'm asking you just like and comment. And hey, just know there's a serious prank coming this weekend. I'm talking about, it's like ridiculous. Like, it's a prank that's like I can't even believe I'm about to do this. So I just stay tuned, because I'm about to be posting like crazy. Alright? No cap. So just a little update, we're about like 5 minutes away, exactly 5 minutes away. I see the dude, I don't think I told y'all this from before, but I seen the dude on OfferUp. That's how I met him. So we are currently in Davie right now. Joe from Cold Springs. This car checks out. Hopefully I buy it. We'll see what's up. But I want to get y'all a little input on the car first before I buy it. If y'all like it, I'll buy it, as I said before. Let me give you guys a little bit more update on the prank for this weekend. So pretty much no cap. So we about to pull up to the dude. He said that it's straight if I record, but to be honest, I didn't even care if he said if I couldn't record or anything, because you know y'all like my family, so I gotta record. So I'll see y'all when I get there. No cap, all cap, no cap, all cap. the house or nothing. I won't get the house or nothing or your face or anything. Alright, so pretty much this is the car. It's got AC. Looks like it's a project car, honestly. Real shit. It looks like it needs some work. So it's sitting. It's a nice little Integra. It's got power steering, all that extra key, all that other stuff. So it's gonna need some paint. But I mean, for the most part, it looks pretty straight. It's got blacked out. It's got white rims, all that. So no cap, this car is pretty straight. I mean, to be honest, for the price it's set up, it's not bad. I kind of wanted to take it for a little while. The trunk doesn't open? The trunk won't open? Trunk. Yeah. It's pretty straight. For the most part, at this point, I kind of like it. It's a nice little build. And go for the channel. There's no speakers in right now, but there can be. So, like I said, y'all go ahead. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. If y'all want me to buy it, I'll buy it. But for the most part, I'm thinking about this could be like a little build series on it. This little build series. V20 with a GSR trans. It's pretty straight for the most part. Y'all let me know. I'll go ahead and tell y'all some more information. He said it's like a sensor that's wrong with it or something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little bit more of a check on it, you know, give it a little test run and all that.
Yo, boy, we might get a run to paint real quick.
Alright, so damn, the lighting looks amazing. Alright, so pretty much I checked out the car. Everything, it's not what it's listed to be. It's definitely a project. Definitely a project. Definitely a project. So pretty much the motor mounts feel like they're shot. The motor mounts feel like they're shot. The transmission mounts feel like they're shot. The windshield was cracked. Like, the man did not tell me that the windshield was cracked. He has two setups for the car. He has a regular mode and a two-step mode, like computer-wise, to programming. So, but he said somebody stepped on the computer that has the two-step. So that don't make no sense. But like, pretty much,
You gonna get a three-step, nigga.
it's a project. Like,
A three-step.
no, like it is legit a three-step.
This shit done.
Like, the paint was all messed up. I tried to get as much close angles as I could, but like, I feel like, honestly, the sunlight was catfishing for the car. Realistically, like that car has a lot of problems. But like I said, I will still go ahead and I will buy the car, but that's if at the light. But that's if you guys want to see a build series on it, because I will make that into a build series. But honestly, for that price, he's gonna have to come down. That car, like, that's a build series. It needs work. It needs work. Like, I'm gonna have to put time, dedication, all that into the car. The car, boy. But don't get me wrong, I did a pull on it, like a little 1 to 3 pull. For some reason, he didn't want me to hit 4th gear. I think it was because he has a 4th gear grind. I don't know yet, but I did a pull on it. It's pulling good. No cap. It pulled pretty straight. That I'll give it. I'll definitely give it that it pulls good. But like, on the sense of the shifting. So what else about the car? It actually has AC. It actually has power steering. So that's actually good for an Integra. It has a black fender on it. What else? He said every single time you go over a bump, it rubs. But like, he said it's only on the front left that it rubs. You think we'll go through the freaking gate? Anyways, got me doing donuts in the 6P. But yeah, like I said, build series. If y'all want it to be a build series, there's not too much I can really say about that car, because that car is just like, no cap. I think my facial expression should have put the words on that. But I'm gonna look at some more cars and I'll update y'all. I'm gonna record me looking at a few more cars, and if y'all like those cars, then I'm gonna post some videos on the other cars. Y'all pick which one. Whatever y'all pick, I will buy. Whatever build series y'all want to see, I will do it. Whatever video y'all want to see, I will do it. No cap. So, y'all comment down below. Tell me if y'all want to see that car, if y'all want me to buy that car, if y'all want me to go for a different car. Y'all tell me which car y'all want me to have. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna update y'all later. Right now we about to go to a shop. Me and Davey still. You pull us right there. Shit right there, man. No cap. So yeah, I'm gonna update y'all. I'm gonna head to the shop, and then I'll hit y'all after. Cleeful. Alright, so pretty much we're done. We're pretty much done. We're at the gas station. Pretty much the video went successful. Took a little video. Hopefully this video went successful.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully I can record more videos for you. I'm with Viv, I'm with Ivan. Like I said, give me 200 subscribers and you guys can pick what car I get to make a project video on, or what car I get, period. So yeah, whatever, just like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. And it's your boy That Kid Jams, and I'm out.